Cancer, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Cancer. And please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Cancer, please. Messages for Cancer, please. Okay. Merong pagpupulong, pag-uusap, planning about family affairs. Okay. For some of you, nagpapatayo ng bahay. May mga travels, okay, na mangyayari. Okay, for some of you is thinking about your yung mga resources ninyo, kung kakayanin ba or hindi. Nag-iisip kayo ng negative. Okay. Niisip nyo kung kaya nyo ba to or hindi. Cancer, kailangan mo ng tiwala sa sarili. Follow your intuition. Okay. May bagong panimula sa inyo. There is growth and expansion na mangyayari. Maybe sa trabaho man or sa personal life ninyo. Business. Okay. Okay. For some of you, sa trabaho, merong ibibigay sa inyo na bagong projects. It will give you something that you will need. Increase in salary, okay? Benefits, makikilala kayo. Will give emotional contentment sa inyo. Pero iniisip nyo kung kaya mo ba to or hindi. Okay. It will need a lot of attention from you and time. Cancer. For some of you, this is a new job. Okay. Merong pag-uusap, planning, discussion with higher management. Okay. Mga magagaling na tao na recognize ang galing ninyo sa work. Let us see ano pa messages for you. Okay. Meron kang kakayahan na magawa yung project na yon. You have a lot of strength, okay, inner strength, the courage to do it. Okay. You will be successful on it, Cancer. So believe in yourself. Okay. People will celebrate you. You will be successful. Yeah. Okay. Meron kang matatanggap na regalo, na pera. This is maybe a salary increase, gift. It will be given to you, Cancer. You will receive an announcement. For some of you, you will be doing something creative. Okay? A project, personal project, passion project, makikilala ka. Okay? Mabibigyan mo ito ng hustisya. Meron kang kakayahan to do it. It will take you a lot of strength para magawa mo yun. Bibigyan mo ng oras. Okay? Ng lakas, ng attention. Magtatagumpay ka, Cancer. Okay? This will give you the chance to earn more or to receive more. May improve yung life ninyo. Okay? You will be recognized sa galing ninyo, Cancer. Okay? Merong competition, merong kumukuha ng information about sa inyo, sa ginagawa ninyo. Maybe for some of you, you will transferring a new department or ibang linya sa trabaho ninyo, and it will take a lot of madaming, kumbaga, magiging busy ka, marami kang gagawin doon. So, whatever changes na mangyayari na to, accept it. May pagbabago na mangyayari. Kailangan mo i-manage yung oras ninyo. You will be very busy. Okay. Maybe there is a surprise for you. Meron kang surprise na matatanggap or offer na magbabago ng life ninyo. A change of job, okay? Relocation ng job. Pero yung opportunity na to, iniisip mo pa, okay? Pero magbabago yung buhay mo na to, Cancer, sa itong opportunity na ino-offer sa inyo, okay? Kung ano man tong changes na mangyayari sa career ninyo, sa trabaho ninyo, sa finances, it will change your life, and it's going to be the end ng inyong pagsasakripisyo. You will have a new direction or pagkakabalahan, Cancer, bagong pagkakakitaan. Okay? Okay, pag-isipan ninyo, Cancer, for some of you is not paying attention to it. Okay? For some of you, hindi binibigyan ng oras. Okay? Kailangan ng action on your part, Cancer, para makamtan mo ang success or yung tagumpay na inaasam ninyo. It will end the sacrifices. It will end your sacrifices, okay? You will be successful, Cancer. People will know you. You will have a lot of attention, okay? Your hard work will be paid off. Okay. Siguro sa isip nyo hindi nyo kaya, pero nasa isip nyo lang yan, Cancer. Use your intuition. You are a talented person, Cancer. Very creative. Meron kang kakayahan to do it. The skills, the abilities. Okay. You are on the right track, on the right path. People will celebrate you. Okay, makikinig sa inyo yung tao, Cancer. This is going to be life-changing na pagkakataon or opportunity sa inyo, Cancer. Okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung messages para sa inyo. You will receive recognition sa ginagawa ninyo, sa work na to, or sa opportunity na yon. Okay. Maybe this is a creative project, passion project, na inuumpisahan ninyo or uumpisahan pa lang. Feeling nyo hindi nyo kaya, pero sa isip nyo lang yan, Cancer. You need to do it. Do not procrastinate. Do not waste time. Scissors, disappointment in some affair. Okay. Carrot, opportunity or windfall. Okay. Kung merong disappointment, mapapalitan yan ng isang magandang pangyayari. Okay? Do not be carried away with disappointments. Take it as a challenge. November. The month of November will be significant to you or important. Maybe this is the time that you will receive a windfall. Windfall of money. Okay, magandang opportunity. Matatanggap mo yung resulta ng inyong hard work. Okay, or yung project na ginagawa ninyo. You will be recognized. You will be successful. You will be receiving an award. Mountain. Major challenge to overcome. Okay, may mga challenges na paparating sa inyo. Don't fear. Do not be afraid of the challenges. It is important. Okay? Part yan ng pagiging successful. Okay? Fun. Romance, celebration, party. Okay? You will have, excuse me. Meron kayong isa-celebrate, okay? Magandang event na mangyayari sa inyo. Broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. Okay? Broken bridge. Okay? Believe in yourself, Cancer. Do not give up. Kung may mga challenges along the way, it's part of the getting success. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung messages. One message, please. Be strong, Cancer. Don't give up. Try until you succeed. Message for Cancer, please. 777. Okay? For some of you na madalas nakakita ng number na 777, this is for you. Your purpose flows from within you, and everything that is unfolding or being revealed to you is part of your purpose. A state of peace and calmness in your soul. I am in the flow. Okay? So, this is the message for you, Cancer. All the best. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!